Hey guys, I'm Kimberly with the Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm here with Cecile and Rachel from Just Another Button Company, and they're introducing their brand new club called Button Lovers Club Words with Buttons. So tell me about your new club.
Well, this is year 3 of the Button Lovers Club, and we're really excited to show it to you because it's a little bit different this year. Inside each of our boxes, we're going to have 3 different packs. There are 2 mini party packs. That's a button party in a bag. It's a mixture of sizes and styles of buttons that are perfect for embellishing the projects that you see here. And then the third pack, there's a mixture of handmade and hand-dyed buttons, as well as some really special hand-dyed buttons that are alphabets. And so each box is going to spell a different word.
And they're going to be themed to go with a fabric collection, and the fabric will be purchased separately at the Fat Quarter Shop. But this one's super cute. It goes along. It says Nest, and you can see these cute pillows. In each box, they're going to give you a like a note card type thing, and it's going to tell you, what they've made their samples out of, what book you would need, or what fabric you would need to do these beautiful projects. So sign up today at the Fat Quarter Shop, and remember, if you were in the previous clubs, you have to sign up again.